Greetings, everyone. So in today's session, we will see that the prerequisites thing which is required to Playwright MCP like Node, VS Code, and Copilot, how to install and unlock to start automation with the Playwright MCP. The first thing that you need is Node. For that, what we are going to do is going to open a Chrome first, right? And search for Node, download. Okay, the first link that you see, download Node.js, open that, and here we go. So you can do it with a window installer, or you can do a standalone binary, right? Advantage that for this you need admin access. You don't need it for this. For this you can use the user access straight away, right? So for that, and you can get a latest Node versions here installed, right? For that, what you have to do, click on the standalone, and it will download a zip for you like this. Since I already downloaded, so it give me the second of the file. Yeah, like this. New file is getting downloaded. So when you download, you get a zip like this, right? Cut this zip, come to a C drive, create some folder, right? Node folder. Currently, I'm giving it node demo. You can give it as node, right? Then drag this file here, unzip it like this, and open the file till node.exe you will get. Okay. If you get a node.exe, right? What you have to do, simply copy this path and open the system variable, edit the environment variables actually. For system variables, you need admin credential. So for user credential, you can use like this. So search for the path. I see I got this path, right? Click on edit. Right, I already have some Node is installed here. Let me remove those things. Now Node is removed. Okay, now I don't have Node. So click on new, paste it, and put a slash like that. Okay, and say OK. Now your node is installing the system variable. Say OK. To check, simply write cmd. Cmd will open for you. Write node -b, and that's it. You got a node installed. You got a version, right? This is the first part. That is node. For the VS Code, what you have to do, again, open the Chrome and download VS Code. That's it. First link that you see based upon your OS, if it is a Windows or Linux or Mac, select the OS, right click on this square box, and you got a download icon here. So it automatically start downloading your VS Code for you like this. I guess I already have a downloaded part. All right, yeah, here it is. So after the download completed, you get an exe like this, right? Double click on this part. It start setting up a VS Code in your machine, right? Ask this question, say okay, next, desktop icon, yes, next, install. Install the VS Code in your machine. It's already have it, so it's asking me, do you want to reinstall? I say, okay, no problem. We'll reinstall with a user access. If you go with admin access, you have a more permission, but frankly, there's no much difference between user access and admin access. For advanced use, yes, you have the issues because if you want to use a PowerShell, most of the Playwright automation, if you don't use PowerShell, so it can be done with a command prompt. That can be done with the user. So my advice is go with the user. Okay, now it's done. Click on finish. It will open a VS Code for you like this. Okay. Now, when you come to this part, you get this icon to be Xed, right? Click on this part. It will ask you to log in to GitHub, right? For that, if you want to click to log in to GitHub so that your Copilot is get set up, click on continue with GitHub. It asks you to go to your GitHub account. Open a GitHub account for you here. It's downloading, opening. So what you have to do, come here and write github.com, right? Sign in the user. So my user is this, and my password. It asks me to log into my GitHub account, right? So let me, I have to fill the code, move forward. Let me see what is my code. Yeah, I'm filling it. Zero. Okay, what happened? Continue. Mhm. It's my system setting where it gives me the passkey to go on. So now it's downloaded and then ask it to send SMS for my authentication. And that's it. I'm done. Later, click on later, the passkey, and say continue with my ID. So now as you can see, if I did this and ask me to open the VS Code, that's it. I'm done. You see this cross is gone. My Copilot is up, right? I get this all the variables. Top of this, if you come to GitHub, if you want to activate, few users have some issues, so go to the Copilot setting and activate your Copilot. All these things should be enabled if you face any discrepancy, and you are good to go. This is how we do the setup. So today we see how to install Node, VS Code, and our Copilot to check. Simply say hi, and it will start responding to you. All right? How can I help you? So your AI is set up. Thank you for your time and happy learning. See you in the next lecture.